Hello everybody, welcome to today's session on ABELDent Cloud Server Estimated Insurance. I'm Kel McKay and I'm the Director of Training Services here at ABELDent, and I'm going to be your presenter for this session. So before I show you the new ABELDent Cloud Server, let me tell you a few things you need to know. The new user interface is cleaner, brighter, and clearer than ever, with many more features visually available. This means that far fewer features are hidden away on right-click menus where they might be missed, so all features are much more discoverable. I'm sure you've also noticed that in recent years, computer screens, displays, monitors, etc., they just keep getting wider. Not taller up and down, mind you, I'm talking about wider left to right. Well, the screens in the cloud version tend to be wider as a result and take better advantage of this modern widescreen display and have less gray space. Because the cloud version uses familiar terminology and concepts, it helps experienced ABELDent users to adapt quickly to the new software. And for new ABELDent users, it's very easy to learn. Converting to ABELDent Cloud Server maintains 100% of your historical data created in ABELDent Local Server. And lastly, ABELDent has taken leaps ahead in supporting integration with current technologies like patients filling out health history on a tablet or checking in at a kiosk, that sort of thing. All right, so let's get down to the main event and show you what you've all been waiting for, ABELDent Cloud Server. For assignment-based treatment, ABELDent has always allowed you to set the amount expected from insurance, but ABELDent Cloud Server Estimated Insurance is more flexible than ever in keeping track of your insurance balances. So when you enter treatment into ABELDent for a patient who has insurance assignment, you will notice a little something extra in their financial window. Now, first of all, let's take note here that this patient, has a primary insurance. And you can see his insurance breakdown, right? So 80% preventive and 80% basic, 50% major, you get the idea. So let's go ahead and add in some treatment for this patient. And then I'm going to show you how the ABELDent Cloud version breaks that down, okay? So first of all, I'm just going to add in some treatment. Okay. Whoops. And let's see, you know what? After we do this, just so we can get some codes with, yep, that's a good idea. Let's do that. And just so that we can get some codes with some different percentages, I'm actually going to take the planned treatment, the crown that he's got there, and I'm going to bring that down to today's services. We'll build that for today as well. Okay, perfect. So you can see I've built some hygienist work and I've also built a crown. So let's go have a look at his financial. And you will notice, here, I don't know that I want this in detail. Let's have a look at an open view. All right, so you can see how each of the codes that I've entered in here has a little pie chart next to it. Okay, so any service that has any insurance assignment will have these little pie charts next to them. Okay, when you hover your mouse over each pie chart, there we go. See how it actually shows you the breakdown of the insurance expected. So I can see, there's 1460 for that code, but there's 1168 expected from insurance. When I hover over the 134, there's 107.20 expected from the insurance. I think you get the idea. Okay, just a general estimate of how much the patient owes. So now let's just say we've sent this claim electronically. Okay, so then we notice on the explanation of benefits that the amount that the insurance is covering is actually not the same as what you had on file in the insurance tab. No problem at all. So just go on over to the item that was different. Let's say that the fluoride treatment is for whatever reason different. Okay, and then we just edit the expected insurance, the estimated insurance here. And then we just change it to what it was correct. Maybe they only covered $10 worth of it, okay? So I'm going to click Save, all right? And you will notice that the pie chart has changed, but also when I hover my mouse over it, I can see that the amount has changed. Too easy, okay? And this can be done on the same day. It can be done on a later day. It really doesn't matter when you do this. Also, you should know that in the future, ABELDent Cloud Server will simply read the incoming EOBs and adjust the insurance expected automatically. But even as it is today, it's pretty darn cool. So keeping track of your patient's insurance balances is easier than it ever was before. So thank you very much for watching our session today on ABELDent Cloud Estimated Insurance. Watch for future sessions on many other interesting topics coming soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.